Hello, welcome back. It's been a while. For this video, we will be evaluating the integral of sine cube of alpha x over x squared, evaluated from 0 to infinity. This problem is from Twitter. I saw this problem last year or maybe 2 years ago. And for this problem, I'll discuss my solution, which involves what is known as the Frullani's integral. So if you're familiar with Frullani's integral, you might be wondering how exactly it can be applied for this problem. So stay tuned and listen to what I've got to say. Okay? So if not you're not familiar yet, then stay tuned as well. So let's start with rewriting the cube of sine through a power reduction formula, rooting from the triple angle identity. So from trigonometry, we have sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So if you rearrange this 4 sine cube here and isolate that, we can get something that is in terms of sine theta and sine 3 theta. To be more specific, sine cube of alpha x is equal to 3 sine of alpha x minus sine of 3 alpha x. Okay? So in this case, theta is equal to alpha x. Now we can factor out the 3 from here and then put one of the x's from the denominator to the numerator. So we'll have something like 3/4 of the integral of sine of alpha x over x minus sine of 3 alpha x over 3x, then all over x, still evaluated from 0 to infinity. Now, if you let f of x be sine of alpha x over x, then this first term in the numerator is just f of x, and then the second term is f of 3x. Now here comes what we know as the Frullani's integral. The Frullani's integral or Frullani integral says that if a function f of x is continuous on the interval 0 to infinity, and that the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 and infinity both exist, then for any positive real numbers a and b, we have the integral of f of ax minus f of bx all over x from 0 to infinity being equal to limit of f of x as x approaches infinity minus limit of f of x as x approaches 0, and this difference multiplied by ln of the ratio of a and b. It's important to note here that f of x must be continuous for the interval 0 to infinity. Now, if we go back to the integral that we have right now, our f of x here is sine of alpha x over x. And this is continuous for all x except 0, right? Because this is a trigonometric expression that is defined for all x, and the denominator is defined for all x. So the only restraint is that the denominator cannot be 0. In other words, in the interval 0 to infinity, we satisfy the criteria for, or partially satisfy the criteria for Frullani integral. Now we'll talk later on about the limits, but for now, let's say that both of them exist. Okay? Now, by applying the Frullani integral form, we get that this integral, we have a equals 1 and b equals 3. So the value must be 3/4 times the difference of the limits times ln of 1 over 3. Yep. Now let's talk about the limits. Now these are pretty known, pretty much evaluated in Calculus 1 classes. So we know that limit of alpha x over x is equal to 0, which immediately follows by using the squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem, which we learned in Calculus 1. And the limit of sine of this function as x approaches 0 must be equal to alpha. Okay, these two are very well-known limits in Calculus 1 subjects, so I will be assuming that you know how to evaluate this at this point. Okay, now going back, we just substitute the values of the limits. Then we have here 3/4 times the difference of 0 and alpha multiplied by ln of 1/3. Now 0 minus alpha is just negative alpha. And then this ln 1/3 can be expressed as negative ln of 3. So this entire expression here can be simplified to 3 alpha over 4 times ln of 3. And that's our final answer. Okay. So I hope you learned something from me today. If you haven't heard of Frullani Integral yet, then this is something new for you. And I suggest that you look for the proof for this one. There are many available in online for this one. And if you have any alternative solutions, maybe some comments and clarifications, just let me know in the comments. Okay? See you on the next one, and bye bye.